It's back to school time and NFL season's kicking off, which means it's the perfect time to tackle math engagement in your classroom. My name is Mia Barrett. I helped create Fantasy Sports Math League, which is an innovative game that transforms how middle school students experience math through the excitement and fun and competition of fantasy football. Districts that are using Fantasy Sports Math League have discovered that when you combine NFL engagement and excitement with math learning, that's where the magic happens. And Fantasy Sports Math League has created genuine engagement that transforms students into problem solvers and confident mathematicians. Students are genuinely excited about fractions and data analysis and mathematical reasoning because it helps them play. So while school was out this summer, we did not take a break. Instead, we spent our time doing what we do best, which is listening. We listened to our incredible teacher champions and heard from our students who have played in a Fantasy Sports Math League in the past, and we took all of that valuable feedback to heart, and we have some game-changing improvements that I can't wait to show you. First up, we completely redesigned our student user interface. Students will find a cleaner, more intuitive experience that makes navigating their fantasy team even easier than before. We have improved the draft interface, so now students can sort by player, by rank, by cost, by team, and made the engagement a little bit more exciting. We added more opportunities for data analysis so students can work with more performance data. We made everything just a little bit more visually engaging. But we didn't stop there. We know that teacher preparation is crucial for success, so we've created comprehensive new teacher onboarding materials. We now offer step-by-step YouTube tutorials that walk you through every aspect of Fantasy Sports Math League, from setting up your first league to understanding student reports. We have completely updated our educator guide that has many tips and tricks and insight from other teachers, best practices from other classrooms that have worked with Fantasy Sports Math League across the country. Speaking of teaching materials, this is where I get really excited. We've developed new and improved teacher reports that give you deeper insight into your students' mathematical progress, so you can track their individual growth, identify areas where they need additional support, celebrate their success with detailed analytics and insight. One thing that our teachers have specifically requested was even more differentiation options. So we added 2 brand new difficulty levels, giving you more flexibility to meet your students where they are. So if you have students who are in need of more foundational support, or maybe you have advanced learners who are ready for more complex mathematical challenges, Fantasy Sports Math League has a scoring level for them, so you can assign them to use decimals or fractions and at an advanced or beginner level for each student. We've also added foundational lessons specifically designed to help students who need extra support with fractions and basic operations before diving into the full Fantasy Sports Math League experience. And for those students who are ready for more challenge, we've got a whole lot of new extension activities that connect Fantasy Sports Math League to broader STEAM concepts, and those are really fun. Here's what all of these improvements really mean. We are building math engagement and confidence like never before. Fantasy Sports Math League has been shown to help students to see math as relevant and exciting and achievable. So when students are calculating their fantasy points and seeing how many points their quarterback earned using fractions, they're not just solving equations, they're developing number sense and building confidence. And when they are analyzing player statistics to set their lineup, they're not just making random choices, they are engaging in data analysis and critical thinking. We are watching kids who come in at the beginning of the semester saying, I hate math, become students who are asking if they can work on their fantasy team and do the math during lunch. And so that is the power of authentic engagement through connecting to something that they are passionate about. I'd love to discuss how we can create a pilot partnership with your school or classroom or district, whether you're teaching 6th grade math or running an after-school program or looking for ways to increase family engagement in mathematics. Fantasy Sports Math League can help do that. So let's tackle some math anxiety together and get some real learning victories this school year. If you're ready to join, reach out to me at Fantasy Sports Math League at diffusioninc.com. I can't wait to hear from you and bring the excitement of Fantasy Sports Math League to your students.